Hello, my name's Mahana. I'm 14 years old and my favorite hobby is playing the piano. However, I am self-taught and I'm not really the best at playing it. Despite being self-taught and the fact that I'm not the best, it is still really enjoyable for me. I love playing the piano because it allows me to unwind and relax at the end of the day. I decided to share this hobby with you because it is something that I am fairly proud of. I've been wanting to share videos of myself playing the piano. However, I needed an application to edit my videos. All of the apps that I tried were too complicated and difficult to use. The app LumaFusion has solved all of those problems. LumaFusion is an editing software that allows you to create professional and presentable videos with ease. It is an app that is used by thousands and thousands of filmmakers alike. In addition, it is compact and you can edit on the go, wherever you want and whenever you want. I recommend LumaFusion to beginner editors because it is effortless to use. Get LumaFusion now on the App Store and start your editing journey.